Welcome back to Nexa PNC Consultant, India's first paints and coating consultant who provides a specification and method of application for paints and coatings. Myself, Rajin Gangadharan. We aware about one proverb, हर चीज की शुरुआत घर से होती है. Yes, we also can start our systems and specification for home painting. We classified home painting into three. It's for independent villa, bungalows, and residential apartments. For all these three sectors, we are having interior painting, exterior painting, wood finishes, floor coating, and waterproofing. These are the five major categories everyone is concerned about all these projects. First, we can start with interior painting and we will go further. The system which we are following for the interior painting since decades, it is a two-coat putty, one coat primer, and two coats of emulsion. Wow, I hope this will be an easy sector to start with our specification proposals. Let us see. While constructing a project or while building a home, around 80 to 90 percentage of the time will be consumed for the construction of the structure and its electrical, plumbing, and all other activities. Since the time is already consumed to attain the deadline, the most of the cases everyone having a activity which is not regular, which has to be followed. They will plaster the wall and maybe within 1 or 2 days they will apply the putty or primer. They will apply two coats of emulsion and they will finish the other coatings and painting requirements. Then they will hand over the project. It is the easy method. But this hurry sometimes may cost us a huge loss. How? The plaster, that is cement, grey cement plaster, it's required 28 days for its complete curing. It may touch to dry within 1 day, and we can even apply any products above that surface. There will not be any issue. But it is doesn't mean that the product and the wall is completely cured. So what happens when it is completely not cured? The chemicals may react with the putty or primer which we applying on the surface, and sometimes it may having pinholes or it it may peel off from the surface. So all these complaints later has to be rectified. So rectification procedure again cost you the labor charge. If the complaint is genuine, may the paint manufacturers can give you the replacement or adequate quantity to rectify that area. But the labor cost you have to think about. But anyway, the first finish, if it is a fine project, then we don't want to bother all these things. Why we have to think about rectification? Why we don't want to think about the complaints, right? If the plaster is completely cured, means after 28 days, we recommend 2 coats of white cement above the surface. You hear that, white cement. The plaster which you are using is grey cement. Since the composition is almost similar, the white cement provide better addition to the surface of the grey cement and will give you an aesthetic appearance before applying any paint. The grayishness will be covered, so it will give you more advantage for upper coats. White cement can be of any brand. You can choose from Birla Cements, JK Cements, Shagarni, or there are plenty of brands available in the country. But we have to ensure the quality of the product, whiteness of the product, coverages of the product, and comprehensive strength of that white cement which we are selecting. That is the important criteria. How we can choose all these products? Nexa can help you in this aspect, and we will provide you the pre-inspection even before applying the white cement. Now we can go for the white cement. We have to mix the white cements which we purchase from a specific manufacturer. While mixing, we have to ensure the mixing ratio, means for 1 kg of white cement how much water has to be poured. That has to be ensured as per the manufacturer, because sometimes different manufacturer having different mixing ratio. For example, X brand of manufacturer can white cement we can pour around 50% of water, while Y brand of manufacturer we can use 70% of water. So all these aspects has to be taken care, and before applying a white cement we have to ensure we are sprinkling water across the wall, or we can spray the water as well. It ensures the proper addition to the wall. We can apply 1 coat of white cement and allow it to dry. It may around 6 to 8 hours. We can apply the second coat of white cement, and after applying the second coat, it has to be ensured the same way. Around after 6 to 8 hours, even we can recoat that white cement. But if you apply 2 coats of white cement, you just ensure around 24 to 48 hours we have to give time for proper curing, as we given time for the grey cement. That is the proper way to give timelines. See, now our walls is shown in white color. The grayshness is almost gone. So we can wait for 48 hours. Have a break, and thank you for watching our channel.